Most content creators are juggling 5 different tools to run their content. I use OneSheet and replaces them all. Most people use a task manager for planning, a spreadsheet for performance, notes for ideas, a calendar tool for reposting, and something else to decide what to cut. This is my control panel. This week's focus in the primary video auto pulls from planning. I don't choose what to work on. The system tells me. The pipeline snapshot, ideas, scripts, filming, posted. This replaces a project manager. Performance signals, quiet winners, high saves. This replaces analytics dashboards. The decision pressure, open decisions. If that number is high, I'm overloaded. This replaces sticky notes and mental stress. The CEO note, the big picture, the big insight for this week. One sentence, what did I learn this week? That replaces journaling apps. This isn't about saving money on tools. It's about removing decision friction, one sheet, one system, calm execution.